I don't need to show you how to make this. It's mac and cheese. It says right on the side of the box how to do it. So this costs like, I don't know, $2. And we're saving the forests by doing sustainable farming. It says it right on the back that they're supporting sustainable farming practices by buying this specific box of mac and cheese. It's white cheddar because that's the best flavor, obviously. Okay, so I guess I'll make this now. And there's our mac and cheese, saving the planet one noodle at a time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this speed run